Greetings, traders out there in Traderland. My name is Des here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, June 10th, 2013. And before we get into things, share with you a couple of stock picks we had on the Stock Picks V newsletter. If you'd like to have our stock picks each and every week, feel free to sign up. You can get 2 weeks free. Anyway, check this out. Starbucks was on our pick list, and so is BWA. This is a bull flag starting to break out on some volume, not too shabby. Anyway, taking a look here at the S&P. Today down a fraction, the Dow down a fraction. However, NASDAQ up 0.13%, the Russell's up 0.5% plus. Banks up a lot, up 0.85%, but the VIX is up by 2%. And you have gold up 0.5%, silver up 1.44%, and crude oil down 0.5%, with US dollar ticking higher. And you'll see here that you have both NASDAQ and Russell's leading the charge to the upside, with the banks supporting that. But there is some fear out there, so watch for a bullish activity going into tomorrow. Looking here at the S&P daily, we have a symmetrical triangle. This symmetrical triangle on Friday broke out. So now we're taking a breather. We're taking this breather right under the flat 20-day moving average. That is a simple day moving average. Taking a breather here. Wouldn't surprise me to see more continuation to the bull side coming up, or let it catch its breath, maybe a slight drift downward before it rallies higher again. But right now, things are looking really bullish. Now, the worst thing that could happen for this formation is if we get what I call a death hook. A death hook is when you come out of this trend line to the upside, and it's promising great things, blue skies and rainbows. And if it decides to head back south right here, it can give you a very big, nasty red candlestick, and it usually will go all the way down to the lower trend line. Big nasty one. If that happens, watch for a significant sell-off going into the near future. However, I believe there's only a 15% chance of that happening. If it does happen, even if it comes down just a little bit here, be very, very careful as a bull going into this market. However, if we can continue to stay above this next few days or so, or even rally higher going into Tuesday, then our fear will diminish quite a bit of that death hook commencing and things bleeding out. So, you get the very best technical analysis right here at Grok Trade. Thank you for being a user and a follower of our videos. We sincerely appreciate that. And I'd highly recommend that you get signed up for the Stock Picks V newsletter. Make yourself some money. Let us do the heavy lifting and you profit by it.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. It's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.